Amid heavy rain from tropical storm Mario, floodwater flowed in a barangay near Restive Mayon volcano in Albay province early today. The flow was noted in Barangay Maipon in the town of Ginobatan. PDRRMC Albay Cedric Daep clarified that no lahar but only floodwater with minor sediments flowed. Residents in the danger zone of the volcano had been evacuated to safer grounds earlier this week. More about the situation at the Restive Mayon volcano from Haji Caamino. Haji, good evening.
Yes, good evening, Kathy. For the past 24 hours, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCS, in Region 5 has recorded 22 volcanic earthquakes and 70 rockfall events, which means that the Mayon volcano is still active at alert level 3, despite its silence while we're here situated at the volcano's 6-kilometer permanent danger zone. PHIVOLCS continues to monitor the volcano due to a possible eruption anytime soon. Meanwhile, the provincial government of Albay ensured all residents living around the danger zone are evacuated. 626 families residing in Barangay Kirangay, 311 from Spa, and 238 from were evacuated at the Kamalig Central School. There are 53 classrooms designated for evacuees. Principal John Fajardo said the school provided water and sanitation facilities and health clinic. Relief packs are also provided, particularly mosquito nets, blankets, rice, and water. Kamalig Mayor Caloy Baldo also pledged portalets and light bulbs for evacuees. Albay Governor Joey Salceda earlier said, Kathy, they want to record 0 casualty if ever the volcano erupts. So we'll just continue to monitor the volcano's activity for the next few days. And live from Legazpi City in Albay, reporting for News Live, this is Haji Caamino. Back to you, Kathy.
Haji Caamino.